Hey guys, welcome back to Boosted GM Truck. Today we're going to be finishing up the 408 short block. We're going to be putting the rings onto the pistons and the pistons as well as the rods into the motor. First you need to oil the rods and the pistons. Now the tangs go opposite of the valves. The tangs are these little notches. Now you need to find the spot on your crank that these would go. The large chamfer goes up against this part of the crank. Now we need to grab a clip and the gap should be at 12 o'clock. It can be a bit hard to get in. And you have to make sure it freely moves as well. You may cut yourself in the process, but that's okay. Time to put on the piston rings. This is the oil ring support, and here's the dimple. The dimple needs to be at this gap and it needs to be facing down. Now we need the oil ring. The gap should be at 12 o'clock. And this gap should be facing the pin. And it should be on the bottom of the oil ring. The next one should be 180 degrees from that, and it should be on the top of the oil ring. That's the first ring complete. Next we add the compression rings, and they're file fit for each cylinder. First you need to oil the inside and outside of the second ring. The gap should be at 12 o'clock and the dimple should be up. The top ring has laser markings. Those laser markings should be facing up, and the gap should be 180 degrees from the second ring. Time to put the pistons in. First we have to untorque the rods. Now we have to take the top part of the rod off. Then we have to lubricate the two bearings. Lightly lubricate the skirts. Our ring compressor on top, and put the bottom of the rod in. We're going to push it to push all of the rings into the piston. Now we're going to push this down.
Hear the difference?
Yeah. Thanks for watching me assemble the motor with Dad. If you have any questions about the motor or the trucks, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.